Hello people off the internet. Hold up. I'm going to do the sliding door panel that arrives, so I'm going to carpet that, fit that in, and then fit my IKEA blind, which has been sitting now for probably 6 months, waiting for me to actually bother my hole to get this done. So I've got this IKEA blind, and I'm going to fit that today. Also, I have to take a rest stop because I need the van to go pick up one of those power vibrating plate things for the gym that my wife and my daughter are really into at the moment. Yeah, I've used it a couple of times. Fat boy problems, need to get that in check. You can follow along. I'll give you a couple of updates. I found this. I bought this for my old van ages ago. I used to have a big Iveco van and I wanted that in the back, so when I was fitting around, I might wire this in to the same LED strip connector that powers this, and it's gonna illuminate underneath my rock and roll bed, so at night time when I flick it on, I can just put a low strobe light on and I can see what's in there. I've got one of these magnetic light strips, and it's supposed to stick to magnets, but every time I even look at it, it just falls off. It's right pain in the hole, and it's rechargeable too. But no, I might just use this. This is a cool white oblong LED step light, so it's more or less to stick. You've seen me fix me. I'll show you. I already have a step light. I have to give the switches something to do. Do you know what I mean? Back in a bit, I'll show you. I'll give you a view of what I'm at the back and what I'm sort of dealing with. Saturday morning, 10:15. I've got to run off at 11:30 to pick up this power plate thing. So I'll get as much as I can do and start getting snipping. See you in a bit. Screen then, I'm going to unbox it, stick it on my head. Let's get that unboxed, have a look, take it all apart. Now I got that from Plyworks, hoping my measurements were correct for the hole, or the aperture as they call it. They were great. They're on Instagram, and I'll give you a link to them as well in my description below. Really good, really fast turnaround. It was here within a couple of days. It was, I mean, they use the CNC cutters. It's a great, I sneaked a look. Packaging, the packaging is amazing. Props on that. Well done, guys. Hello, update. 4-way carpet cut out for the door. Nice. It fits. However, I ballsed it up. I've wasted my money. Right, well, the van's finished, and the reason why I can't put the panel on and I haven't used this, what's left of my 4-way carpet, for this reason. I'll show you. Do you see how wide that comes out? How far? That panel needs to sit flush with this and that, where what I've just screwed that into. So my blind is awesome. Little hook on there, down there, and then exactly what I wanted, but I wanted it to sit behind that, and it can't because this comes way out too far. It's just not a viable solution. I don't know what to do with that panel. My wife's gonna kill me. I've just wasted 55 quid on it. I should have put that blind up ages. I've had that blind for 6 months. I should have put it up ages ago. I just never did. Thought, no, I'll wait until I get the panel, then I'll do it all in one job. That way I know what I'm dealing with. If I'd have just fucking put it up, I don't know. I am declaring the van officially fixed and finished, ready to go for our trip to Scotland. I spent a lot of money. The countdowns begin. We've got 6 days before we head off. Ideally, I'd like to get my ball joints done. I just can't find a reliable mechanic to do it. So if anybody knows of a reliable mechanic in Glasgow, big shout out to anybody in Glasgow that knows a mechanic that can look after a high top, because we're going to be there for a couple of days, so it'd be great to stop over. So that's a shout out to any mechanics in Glasgow that can do ball joints on a VW T4. Or if you're watching this and you know somebody in Glasgow, get in touch with me by Instagram or send me a message on this YouTube channel. Leave me a comment, I'll reach out to you. All right, that's what I'm after at the minute. Just a mechanic to do my ball joints. I'll probably do them while we're traveling, if I can find somebody, but it has to be Glasgow because we're going to be there for a couple of days, so you can have the van for a day or two. Thanks for following my updates on this. Next videos will probably be a Jackery update. We'll do a Jackery update, see how that's faring with us while we're away, and then my little 24 hours in. So well, I need to get me drone charged up and everything else like that. So yeah, it's all good, man. I'm really loving it now. Can't wait to get away. I hope the wife likes her little office table that I put in for her. If she doesn't, tough shit. It's all she's got. So anyway, guys, lovely chatting to you. I'll see you next time. See you in a couple of weeks. Well, I'll probably be updating a fair bit once a week. Do a 24-hour in, film it, edit it, get it out. But you know, it's not just an editing trip. It is my birthday, so we are going to go out and have shrinks and go to hotel places and just chill in the van, do some work from the van and explore and really get into this into the heart of this. I can't wait. So I'll see you later, guys. Love you. Bye.